All-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy, Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I want to turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing? And make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? And make profits.
That TTG money gang,
And making profits.
we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. For those that don't know, listen up. TTG is a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Award finalist for the best data analysis tool. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, futures, all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, also even long-term investing. There's something literally for everybody here at True Trading Group. You see, we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year for you to pay for them on your own. These are tools that include Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading from management, a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data, TradingView's premium charting software, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, the trade idea scanner, you name it, we've got it. You guys have access to it. As a member, of course, you're going to get all of our trade alerts, you're going to get all of our courses, but you also get these things, these tools that give you more information, that help you make better decisions, that increase your chances of success. We're going to set you up with everything that you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. And you also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you were ever going to find, not to mention the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now, going on roughly the last 4 years. In case you're wondering why you should listen to anything it is that I have to say here this evening, allow me to explain. I did not figure this out watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began trading and investing over 17 years ago, working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my very first job right out of college, and then 2008 happened. That was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with 9 other professional trading mods and a 30-person staff, we have helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries. We truly are a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you are ready to learn trading profit for real, you guys have come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here on this channel with myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, special guests. We'll drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you all become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button, show some love. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. I have an incredible live stream in store for you guys all here this evening. First, I want to welcome all of our friends that are joining us from the Stockmaster app. We got a lot of people tuning in from Stockmaster. So welcome. Welcome, 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 all of you that are tuning in from the Stockmaster app. We're talking about top trade ideas here for the week. We got a big week. It's all about jobs data, jobs data, jobs data, job openings, jobless claims, unemployment report, average hourly earnings. We're getting all of it this week. This week is going to be all about jobs. So everyone joining us from the Stockmaster app, welcome. We're going over our plan on how we're making money here this week. So stay tuned. Before that, I do also want to remind you guys that we are giving away up to $5,000 in prizes tonight. So if you're joining us from the Stockmaster app, get excited for $5,000 in prizes. Normally we do this a little differently. We usually kind of put everyone's name together. We spin it. There's one winner. This time there's going to be 3 different winners this evening. One category, annual members of True Trading Group. Second category, lifetime members of True Trading Group. Third category, non-members of True Trading Group. So even if you are not yet a member, you too also have a chance to win one of these prizes, up to $5,000 in prizes. So pay attention, because in just a moment, I'm going to give you the first of 2 code words, with the second code word coming later on in this live stream. At the end, we're going to put everyone's name into that wheel of names. We're going to spin it. If your name is called, you're going to have to text a number that we put on the screen. You'll have 2 minutes to do so and give me both code words. If you can do that, the prize is yours. If you can't, sorry, you lost your chance. We spin again. So get ready for that first code word. Before I give it to you, I want to thank our partners at Benzinga. For those of you guys that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational products and tools, yet they still fully endorse the True Trading Group platform for the massive added value that it provides for their members and their community. So we're very grateful to Benzinga for the chance to further educate their community and to also offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed, which is worth over $1,000 on its own. If you went directly to Benzinga, it is included when you guys join True Trading Group for free as part of your annual membership. So anyone that's tuning in here this evening from Benzinga, you guys are all in the right place. First code word. Get ready. Write it down. You're going to need it later if your name is called. All right. First code word is, you probably guessed it, it's jobs. It's jobs. All right. You probably guessed it. It is jobs. First code word is jobs here on this wonderful Sunday evening. All right. Jobs. Okay, jobs, jobs, jobs. As the first of those 2 code words for the up to $5,000 in prizes, the giveaway that we're doing later on in this live stream. All right, first code word is jobs. All right, welcome to December. How's everyone feeling? We made it. We did it. We survived. In less than 30 days, we would have completed yet another trip around the sun. Just for this moment, just for this moment. The banks are still open. There is yet to be a recession. Most people are still employed. COVID is still a thing of the past. World War III has not yet happened, despite, Twitter's best efforts. But let me tell you guys what has happened. Because all of those things that I just mentioned, the opposite of those may have been on your bingo card this year. But you know what I bet wasn't on your bingo card this year? Us being literally a stone throw away from all-time highs in the stock market going into the last trading month of the year. I bet that wasn't on your bingo card. And I say that because it wasn't on mine. You told me in January of 2023 that the SPY would be sitting at 460, that the S&P would be at 4,600 on December 3rd. I would have said, no way. But yet here we are. Here we are. What a crazy, conflicting time for everybody. Especially those especially for those that sat on the sidelines all year long. All those people that said to themselves, I'll get back involved again soon, right? Maybe as soon as my job cools down, as soon as I have more time, then I'll be able to get involved again. How has that been working for you? Has that plan worked out? No. But I got your next plan. I got your next super plan that many people are probably saying to themselves. It's December, new year, new me, right? And then in January, you're going to get ready. You're going to get focused in January. You just got to get through the holidays. Get through the holidays. You don't want to spend too much on the holidays. You want to get through the holidays, and then you'll focus on bettering you and bettering your own financial position. Well, let me talk about that real quick, because we're in December. So people are thinking about what they want to change, what they want to improve. And a lot of that feeling for change has a lot to do with regret. Regret, you should have done something different. You should have done this. You should have done that. So this is the year. This is the year I'm going to actually do it. Most people say this. I'm going to go get myself in order. I'm going to finally actually do it. Right? People say that in December going into January. Why? I don't know. For some reason, this time of year, the holidays, the calendar changes over. And for some reason, that time, which really is meaningless to you, but that time means, oh, I'm going to better myself for this brand new year. Well, let me tell you something. Do you guys know when the best time to plant a tree was? 20 years ago. That was the best time to plant a tree. You know what the second best time is to plant a tree? Right now. How much time have you already wasted? Really, don't answer like specifically. Think to yourself, how much time have you wasted waiting for the perfect conditions for you to begin something? But let me tell you guys something right now about perfect conditions. You don't need to wait until the conditions are perfect to begin. The act of beginning is what actually makes those conditions perfect. The future, your future, depends on what you do today, right now, not a month from now. Because you just keep saying, I'll do it then. You're just procrastinating. You're just pushing things off, just like you said last year. And just like you said 6 months ago. And just like you said 3 months ago. And now just like you're saying here again today. You don't have to be great in order to start something, but you have to start something, okay, in order to be great. So don't wait. The time will never just be right. Your life doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by change. You need to change in order for your life to get better. December isn't for the faint-hearted. It's a call to the brave. Wipe all your tears from the past year, roll your sleeves up, make these 30 days count. 1 month left means 1 month of opportunity. Hit them hard, aim high, end this year with a bang. Speaking of a bang, actually, it's funny that I just used that word. Maybe bang's the wrong word. The word I think I should be using is boom. My TTG fam, you guys don't know that word very well, because when we hit big on trades in True Trading Group, we give it a boom. That's what we say inside of True Trading Group when we hit on something big. And speaking of hitting on something big, we have had 48 triple-digit gains in the last 2 months. October and November, we had a total of 48 triple-digit gains traded, alerted, and capitalized on inside True Trading Group. And then on Friday, which is the very first trading day of December, we had 2. 1 day trade, 1 swing trade. So in October, November, combined 48 triple-digit gains from options, from equities, from day trades, and from swing trades. And now we're starting the month of December already with 2. Because as I have repeated here ad nauseum, TTG has something for everybody. You have a busy, demanding full-time job. You're under the gun. You're strapped for time. You can't day trade. You can't be in front of a computer. No problem. Swing trade. We have swing trades every single day inside of True Trading Group. Maybe you have a little bit more time. Maybe you want that constant action. Cool. We have day trades inside of True Trading Group all the time. You're not really interested in active trading. You just want to kind of build up that rock solid long-term portfolio, build wealth for the future. Awesome. We send out long-term portfolio moves when our moderators make adjustments in their long-term portfolios. You guys get those notifications. We talk about that as well inside of True Trading Group. We have something for everyone and the tools to give you an edge. No matter what your style is, no matter what security it is that you're trading. We're a one-stop shop for everybody, which is why we were nominated and why we were a finalist for the Benzinga FinTech Awards for Best Data Analysis Tool. It's because of all the tools and resources that you have on our platform when you guys do join. It's no additional cost. These things are included when you join our platform. It's why we were nominated and we're a finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. Think about what you could have done with the opportunity, the real opportunity to actually capitalize on 48 different triple-digit gains in the last 2 months. What could you have done? Would that have helped your holidays? What about just hitting one of those? Of course, you're not going to catch all 48 triple-digit gains, right? You're not going to catch every single one. If you caught maybe just a handful, just a couple, would that have helped maybe your holidays, make things a little bit easier, a little bit less stressful? Here's a question. You don't need to answer it. I just want you to think about it. How many of you, and this is a real serious one, how many of you have sat here and watched us on this live stream for a while now, did not pull the trigger, and you've seen the ridiculous record-breaking run that we have gone on inside True Trading Group over the last 2 months, and now you're living with a little bit of regret? Ugh. October was our best month ever, 20 triple-digit gains, until November. We broke that record again in True Trading Group, 28 triple-digit gains in November. That's our best month ever. Now it's December. December 1st was Friday, the first trading day of the month, and we already had 2 triple-digit gains. One was a day trade, one was a swing trade. So we're picking up right where we left off in the month of November, just as we picked up right where we left off in the month of October. Can we beat November? I don't know. I don't even care. Even if we just come close, 28, that's insane. That's a triple-digit gain a day. I'd be happy if we just had 5, never mind 28. But we already have 2. And there's only been 1 trading day in the month of December. Embrace the power of now. There's a really comforting fact about the present moment, if you think about it. It's your opportunity to shape the future. The present moment is. Seize it, you'll be amazed at what you can actually achieve. Because here's a fact. You can't go back and change the beginning. You can't. No matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, you can't go back and change the beginning. But you can start with where you are exactly here today in this moment, and you can change the ending. Can't change the beginning. You can change the ending. And I know what you're going to say. Right? I know what you're going to say. It's not easy. I'm busy. It's hard. I had to go back to work. I got a full-time schedule. I don't have a lot of money. It's hard. I'm not a good learner. I need simplicity. This seems like it's complex and it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Well, I have a quick reminder for everybody that's on here. People stop when it's hard, but real winners stop when it's done. I like to remind everyone here that doing the work takes less energy than avoiding it. The energy to avoid doing whatever it is that you are trying to set out to achieve, that wasted energy is far greater than the energy that it will take for you to actually start doing the work. You're always afraid to take the first step because all people see when they take the first step, they see all the negativity for the down 10 miles down the road. They just see all the negativity. It's natural for people to see all of the negativity before we venture into the unknown, right? You're always thinking about the pessimistic side when you're venturing into the unknown. The challenge lies not in avoiding this, but rather confronting that unknown. Sometimes the light that you see at the end of the tunnel, it's not a freight train barreling down on you. I get it. I really do. Putting in the work is hard. It makes you tired. When you're tired, it's hard to keep moving in the right direction. But anything worth anything is hard. Nothing is easy. But being tired makes it even that much harder to get through it. And we're at the end of the year. So everyone's tired. They just want things to be okay. They just want to take a break. They're tired. Well, guess what? I'd rather be tired than that's for damn sure. I'd rather be the most tired person on earth than broke. I'd rather be tired than look in the mirror and absolutely hate what I see. I'd rather be tired than wondering if I would have given that extra effort, what could have been, what could have happened. Being tired is part of it. So you better get that in your head. Being tired means that you're working towards that goal, that you're getting one step closer than you were the day before. That's what being tired means. You know what they say about fear, about pain? Pain lets you know that you're alive. Being tired lets you know that you're progressing towards your goal. And last but not least, remember that someone will always try to say something about you when you want to go and do something different to better yourself. Someone's always going to look back and put you down. You go on a diet, you go to the gym, you try to become a trader. People are always going to put you down. They're always going to try to tell you that you can't do it. You want to know why? Because they can't do it. They don't have the discipline, the mental fortitude that it takes to actually pursue and achieve those dreams. So they put you down so you don't go out and achieve those dreams to make them feel worse about themselves. You want to get into trading? Oh, that's gambling. You saw some guy on YouTube, seemed like he knew what he was talking about. You went to these like True Trading Group live streams. It's got to be a scam. It's a total scam. Trading is a scam. The stock market's a scam. Yeah, okay. Tell that to all the professional traders that do this for a living. Tell that to the hedge fund managers that make billions of dollars a year. Tell that to the trader at Goldman Sachs that clears $7 million a year. Go tell that to the 9 professional traders at True Trading Group that do this for a living, that put food on the table for their families by doing this. Tell them that trading is a scam. Someone will always have something negative to say when you want to better yourself. Nobody watches you harder. Nobody watches you more than the people that don't like you. So give them a show that they're never going to forget. Tonight, I'm going to place an opportunity in front of you. I'm going to give you my top 5 trade ideas for the week. Something you're going to want to listen to because, again, if that intro that I just led you with left any doubt in your mind at all, let me show you something that I think is going to erase the doubt that are still sitting with right now. And I want to show you something on why you should listen to the rest of the things that I have to say this evening. I want you to watch this real quick. Members of True Trading Group. These words were nice, right? These words I just went through with you, some inspirational kind of pep talk there was nice, right? But here's what really matters. Members of True Trading Group, can you do me a favor and type the number 1 if you're making money and becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group? Members, I'm talking to specifically. Members, if you are making money and becoming a better trader because of TTG, I want you to go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Just go ahead and type the number 1 if you're making money. Very simple question. Now, the people that are on this live stream that have that doubt, that are not yet part of this community, I say yet very specifically, I want you to pay attention to how many people you're seeing typing the number 1. Because the people that you're seeing type number 1 are your peers. They're your friends, your family members, they're your coworkers. So if they can do it, then if they can do it, why can't you? What's the difference between them and you? I'll tell you what the difference is. Nothing. They found True Trading Group the same way you did, one of these live streams. They learned more in an hour with me in a live stream than they did last year trying to do this stuff on their own. If they can do it, so can you. Everything I just said to you to start this live stream would have been a bunch of hot air, would have been a total bunch of garbage if I couldn't do what I just did, if I couldn't show you what I just showed you, which is literally that everything that I just said to you comes from fact, not my thoughts, not my beliefs. It comes from fact because you can see before it's gone off the screen now, but you can see how many people are typing number 1 inside chat. They're still going. The ones are still coming through as I'm talking to you. So I'm going to give you my top 5 trade ideas for this week. I'm going to give you my outlook for the overall market. Hell, you're even going to have an opportunity to win up to $5,000 in prizes that I'm giving away in this live stream. So if nothing else, if this live stream and nothing else is providing some of the greatest multiple chances of opportunity that you've had in a very long time. But the most important opportunity I'm going to give you right now is the opportunity to say, F the new year, new me BS, and say to yourself, I've got 30 days left. I'm going to go out with a boom, and you're going to sign up for True Trading Group right now, and you're going to put in whatever effort that you can between now and the end of the year, so that even if you achieve very little over the next 30 days, you've set the groundwork to explode out of the gate in the new year. And I'm going to give you that opportunity tonight. I'm going to give you that opportunity at a steep discount. And I'm going to throw in some really great incentives because I want you to remove every single obstacle and excuse that you have that is standing in your way. The holiday sale that we're running at True Trading Group is going to run all month. But tonight's the cheapest night that it's ever going to be. Because at midnight tonight, the price goes up. And at midnight each day going forward, the price goes up until you get to the end of the year. The price tonight is going to be the cheapest for the holiday sale that you can get. It will not be cheaper on Christmas. It will not be cheaper on New Year's. It will not be cheaper for Hanukkah. It will not be cheaper for anything than it is here tonight because it's going to go up every single day at midnight. And if for whatever the reason, later on this month, you see that we're giving away the membership with these incentives for a cheaper price, we will give you back the difference. So there's your price match guarantee. If you see I'm doing a live stream December 18th and it's cheaper than the offer that I'm giving you here tonight, you hit us up. I'll send you the refund, the difference for the cheaper price that we offered it at. So you guys can feel comfortable knowing that this is the absolute cheapest price that you are going to get. So you have a chance to save 52% tonight off the normal price, which is $2,212. Okay, that's the normal price, but you're not paying that. You're going to get 52% off here tonight, but only until midnight. That means you're only going to pay $1,047 for the entire year. That's $87.25 a month. That is $2.87 a day. Most of you spend more than $5 a day on coffee at Starbucks. And we're going to give you also, as part of our holiday sale, a brand new Windows laptop for signing up with a year of Microsoft 365 included. So maybe you were deciding between like, oh, do I want to join True Trading Group, but I've got to get holiday gifts for people. So maybe you were deciding, well, there you go, problem solved. Brand new free laptop, give it away as a gift to somebody, sell it on eBay, put the money back in your account, use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, doesn't matter. It's our gift to you as part of our holiday sale. A subscription to TTG, like I said, is normally $22.12 for the whole year. Upfront, you get access to the core of everything that we have right away. But what we're doing is giving you 52% off between now and midnight tonight. That brings the price down to just $10.47. Again, that's $2.87 a day is what that comes out to. We have 27 laptops available. That's it. Okay, 27 laptops that are available. So the next 27 people that join True Trading Group will get themselves that brand new free laptop included with their membership. In a second, I'm going to go over everything that you get. But that laptop, like I said, Windows laptop comes in Microsoft 365. We cover the shipping. Okay, it's free. We ship anywhere in the world. We cover the shipping. We have members in 115 different countries. I don't care where you live. As long as it's on Earth, I'm going to get you that free laptop. So have no fear that you're in South America, you're in Europe, you're in Africa. I don't care where you are. If you live on Earth, you're going to get that free laptop. Like I said, members in 115 different countries. Okay? All you need to do is open up a web browser right now. Go to ttgoffer.com. That's ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. That is TTG121. Click apply code. You have to manually type in that coupon code. Then click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $10.47. You see a laptop in the checkout cart. That's how you know you're getting one. See that laptop icon up there? As long as you see that, that's how you know you're getting one. You do not have to enter your address to get that laptop. You're going to get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim the laptop, so be on the lookout for it. Every single thing you see on that page, ttgoffer.com, every bullet point you see on that page is included for the $10.47. There is no upsell additional cost or hidden fee for anything you see on that page. Every single thing is included. Every single thing is included. Okay? You don't have to worry about paying extra for all that stuff. We give you guys everything on that page. What does this include? It includes the entire 23-course curriculum. It is a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There are beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it. You guys have access to all of it. There's no upsell for special VIP pro courses. We're not going to sell you half of the solution. That's ridiculous. Every single course is included when you guys join. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. That's included on our platform. Get news as soon as it crosses the wire. Congressional trading data, track trades by members of Congress. Insider trading, track trades by management teams. You get a simulator that lets you trade with fake money but real-time data. Trading View's premium charting software. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use during the day. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media. All of these things are included when you join the True Trading Group platform, which is why we are a finalist for the Benzinga 2023 FinTech Awards for Best Data Analysis Tool, is because we have taken the best stock market tools, trading and investing tools that are out there. We've negotiated deals with all of these companies to bring their products on our platform so you guys get access to them when you become a member. Some of you may pay for Benzinga Pro. Some of you may pay for Trade Ideas. Some of you may pay for Trading View. Some of you may pay for dark pool data and short data and unusual options activity. You don't have to anymore when you join True Trading Group. It is included with your membership. All you have to do is go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included. You see a laptop, you're getting one. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. That price will then drop all the way down to $1047. If you have any questions about anything, if you're having a hard time signing up for whatever the reason, I want you to send us a text message to the phone number at the bottom of the screen, 1-888-306-8783. That is 1-888-306-8783. Text that number if you have any questions. Also, if you used to be a member of True Trading Group and you would like to come back home, or if maybe you used to be a trial member, if you currently are a trial member, then guys, you have to actually text that number. Okay? You have to text that number. We have to whitelist your email address so that you guys can get the 1047 price point. All right? Otherwise, go straight to ttgoffer.com right now. Do not wait because we only have the 27 laptops. Okay? Do not wait. If you see one, you're getting one. All right? Well, here we go. We got to welcome Kurt, and now we're down to 26. Okay. Kurt, welcome. Welcome. Now we're down to 26 laptops. So everybody welcome Kurt, newest member of the True Trading Group family. Remember, listen, so even if you're watching this live stream after it's already aired, if you see that laptop icon on when you go to ttgoffer.com, that's how you know you're getting one. If you don't see one, that means 26 people have already joined. All right. And if you have any questions, text us. Anyone that still has that shred of doubt, one more thing that I will say to you to help remove that doubt. I believe I know I talk a big game on these live streams. I'm not stupid. But I believe so strongly in the platform that we have created and its ability to help you reach your goals that we offer a double your money back guarantee. So here's the way that it works. When you join True Trading Group tonight, you're going to pay $1047 for the whole year. You get access to every single thing you see on ttgoffer.com. If you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group, we do study groups every Thursday. They're free. It's part of your membership. If you guys do those three things and are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal what you paid for your membership, so 1047, you can't make enough winning trades to equal the 1047 at least one time, we're going to give you back double your money. So you join, you spend the 1047. If you can't make that back, then you guys are going to get back $2,094. And you can keep the free laptop. It's yours. You don't have to send the laptop back. Now, I can offer you double your money back. Okay? I can offer you double your money back because our refund rate at True Trading Group is less than 2.5%. If our refund rate was 15%, guys, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. We got to welcome Mary. These laptops are going. Guys, now there's only 25. Everybody welcome Mary. Mary's the newest member of the group. Mary, welcome to TTG. Srikanth, welcome. 24. Corey, 23. 20. Jason, 22 laptops now remain. Guys, these are going quick. Mohammed, 21 laptops now. William, 20. Oh, William, welcome. Guys, 20 laptops now remain. They are flying. I'm telling you right now, don't wait for this. Do not wait for this live stream to be over. Open up a new web browser right now. Go to ttgoffer.com. You see what's on that page. That's what's included for the 1047. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. It drops to 1047. See a laptop. You're getting one. Simple as that. Now, let me get back to that double your money back guarantee because I feel like I want to erase the doubt and the skepticism that you have. We can offer double your money back because 78% of our members stay with True Trading Group. 78% have either become lifetime members of our platform or have renewed their annual membership. I'll show you. Members, do me a favor. If you're a lifetime member or if you've renewed your annual membership, type the number 2 inside chat right now. Again, lifetime members, or if you've renewed your annual membership, type the number 2. Now, the people that are on this live stream, I want you to think about yourself. If it was you, if you joined True Trading Group, you paid $1,047 tonight. Now, let's fast forward to December 3rd, 2024. Would you renew your annual membership or go on to become a lifetime member of the community if you were not having any bit of success? If you felt this was a complete waste of time, would you renew your membership? Of course you wouldn't. So then why the hell did all of these people? It's because we believe in the platform that we have created and its ability to help you reach your goals, so much so that I'm going to offer you double your money back to prove to you how much that we believe in our product and what we've created. Nobody else is willing to do that. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. If you have any questions about it, text us. We're an open book. We're fully transparent. 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is right down there at the bottom of your screen. Todd, welcome. 19 of those laptops now remain. Guys, welcome Todd. Todd is the newest member of the group. 19 laptops left. Remember, see one, you're getting one. Simple as that. Todd, welcome to the family. Look at these people still typing the number 2. Incredible. Mitma, I just looked down. I saw your username. Mitma, how are you? Hope you're doing well. There's my boy, Ritesh Patel. How are you? Bayside Warrior, what's up? I see the TTG fam is coming out strong tonight. Susie, Avi May, yes. The whole crew is out tonight. The whole crew is out tonight. All right, guys. So like I said, ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included. Simple as that. Heather Hill says the platform is unreal. It is the best on the net, hands down. As a trader, you should really be a part of the group. None better than TTG. You should be part of a mastermind group. None better than TTG. Yes, we actually do have a mastermind group and a mastermind community within True Trading Group as well. Now that's different. That's extra. That is not included. The mastermind program is not included for the 1047, but we do have that available for those that are interested. All right. All right, folks. So that's that. Let's head on over to the charts now. Let's start talking about some trade ideas because in case you haven't noticed, Bitcoin is exploding. Big shout out to my business partner and co-founder, crypto connoisseur, Adam, for calling this rally on Bitcoin weeks ago. Weeks ago, he alerted to the community that he was buying Bitcoin, looking for a breakout above 38K. We are 40,100 here today on Sunday. Huge move in Bitcoin. So you know that the crypto names are going to be on watch tomorrow. Specifically, Michael Saylor himself. Because MicroStrategy is basically a Bitcoin ETF at this point because of how much Bitcoin is on this company's balance sheet. So when you see big moves in the price of Bitcoin, you see big moves in the price of MicroStrategy stock, MSTR. What I'm looking for from MSTR is if we wake up tomorrow morning and Bitcoin is still above 40K, then I'm looking for a long on MicroStrategy. Okay. I'm looking for a long on MicroStrategy. Now, what I will show you is this little flat top resistance, little flat top resistance at 530. You can see resist. Oops, I need to move that line. You see resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, so you see that flat top? Simple, folks. I'm looking for that. Very simple, very straightforward. I'm looking for this. All right. I'm looking for a move on MicroStrategy that looks something like this. I'm looking for to get into the 550s. All right. I'm looking for this to trade up into the 550s. Listen, you're probably going to get a pretty big gap up on MicroStrategy tomorrow morning. But if there is a pullback off the open, into 530, I'm grabbing it. I'm grabbing a pullback into 530 if there's a gap up the open. If Bitcoin is above 40K. Now, for whatever, listen, crazy stuff happens overnight. Bitcoin trades, all throughout the night. So if tomorrow morning, Bitcoin's back at 38K, then this trade idea kind of gets put on the back burner just a little bit. But if we get that huge move, okay, and that move sticks overnight, I'm looking at MicroStrategy to push into at least the 550s. So we're going to try to see if we can buy pullbacks into 530s, see if there's a 15 to 20 point move that we can capitalize on MicroStrategy as we look for a breakout there on the back of the Bitcoin rally that we've seen over the weekend. We got to welcome Shelly. Shelly, welcome to the family. That means we're down to 18 laptops. These are going quick. What I want you to do right now is if you are interested in True Trading Group, I want to make sure you guys get the laptop. If you're on this live stream with me, you might as well get the free laptop. It's a great gift around the holidays. You can give it away as a gift. You can sell it. Use that money to buy a gift. Put it back in your account, whatever you want to do with it. But there's only 18 of them left. So hurry up and go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops at $10.47. You don't have to enter your address to get the laptop. You're going to get a welcome email with instructions how to claim it. So make sure you be on the lookout for that welcome email. Okay? And remember, if you have any questions or you're having a hard time signing up, just send us a text message. You'll talk to a real person, not a robot. 1-888-306-8783. All right. So Shelly, welcome. 18 of those remaining. Okay. So that's MicroStrategy. I'm also looking at, to the long side, some of these solar stocks. Now, one of our triple digit gains on Friday was a solar stock, and that was Sunrun. That was a day trade. Sunrun, huge breakout candle. Andre Weber, one of our professional trading mods, caught a day trade on Sunrun. Huge. Look at this candle. Okay. Huge breakout candle. Okay. Huge breakout candle. 100% gain on the day trade. But I think these solar stocks actually have a little bit more room. And when I take a look at some of these names, like I want to look at Enphase and FSLR specifically. We take a look at Enphase. Enphase, the number is 103. 103 to 104. 103 to 104. That's the level I'm looking at. Call it 104. Why am I looking at 104? What's the relevance of this number? Well, let me show you. First and foremost, we have a chart pattern here My TTG fam, if you guys want to call out what chart pattern you see on this daily chart, you let me know. But I'll tell you, in case you don't know, folks, this is an inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders are trend reversal patterns. So there is your left shoulder. There is your head. Oops, wrong drawing tool. Here is your right shoulder. And this line is your neckline. And you can see on Friday, we broke above that neckline. We want to know what else that neckline is. It's the 50-day moving average, which is this dark blue line you see on my screen. And it's also gap entry. So you have this big gap down on end phase in the middle of October when the solar sector was reporting earnings. I actually think that this big gap down on end phase, I think that was when SolarEdge, SEDG reported earnings, and you had this huge gap down. So that is a gap entry. It's the neckline of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And it's also the 50-day moving average. We broke above that on Friday. I'm looking for any pullback into this zone. Okay, any pullback into that zone, I'm looking for there to be support and looking for this move actually on end phase to continue higher and eventually work its way up to fill this gap. I think you're going to see end phase make a push up to 115. I don't know if the 115 happens tomorrow, but within this week, I expect to see end phase up at 115. I'm looking for us to hold 103, 104 support, push higher, get ourselves back up into this previous support, which should now be resistance. Also fill and close this gap. But what else is at that gap fill? What do you have coming down here? I didn't mean to draw that line. What do you have coming down here, folks? Which is purple line? That is the 100-day moving average. So that 100-day moving average obviously sloping to the downside. So as the week goes on, this moving average is going to work its way to the downside, and this 100-day moving average working its way to the downside can line up with that gap fill and this previous support to act as a beautiful level of resistance for us to take profits. Write this down. It's one of the top plays on my list this week. Everybody welcome Jeremy. Jeremy's the newest member of the group. 17 of those laptops now remain. They're going fast. Why wouldn't they? It's a free laptop. It's the holidays. Who doesn't want a free laptop? I sure would love a free laptop. Go to ttgoffer.com. We got to welcome Stefan and Maribel. Stefan and Maribel. That means we're down to, what is that now? What are we at now, guys? Is that 16? They're coming in so fast, I can't even keep track. 15 laptops now remain. Okay. 15 laptops now remain, guys. Jeremy, Stefan, Maribel, welcome to the TTG family. Make sure you guys go grab one now before they are gone. Remember, as long as you see one in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. So, folks, that's end phase. Okay. That is end phase. Real quick, I want to see how many people are on the live stream right now are not members while I'm going through top trade ideas. I just gave you 2. I got 3 more. Do me a favor, guys. Type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. I just want to see how many people we have on here that are not part of the community. Because I'm giving you some of these trade ideas. I want you guys are going to be on your own if you're not part of the group. Just type TTG. Let's see. We got JT37. We got Camille. Ben, just type TTG, guys, if you're not part of the community. I just want to see who's on here that's not part of it. Cody, T. Adley. Nice. Ozan got a 90% gain on that Sunrun trade on Friday. Great job, man. George, how are you? Charles Eldridge, how are you? Topsy, what's up? Crispy Bacon, I like the username. How are you? All right, cool. So we got a handful of people here that are still not part of the community. Lawrence, what's up? Guys, again, if you have any questions about True Trading Group at all, the W Running Back Guarantee, the laptop, the courses, the tools, the trade alerts, the mods, anything, just send a text message. We'll answer any questions you have. 1-888-306-8783. Yes, JT37 says, did anyone trade a firm last week? We actually traded a firm during this big breakout. Was actually a big win for the community. So some of the reasons, Affirm was a really big one for us. Palantir was a really big one for us as well. That was a huge trade for us. It's been quite the the ridiculous run in the month of November. You've had a lot of stocks make a lot of different moves, man. You had a lot of stocks make a lot of crazy moves. And you take your pick. You can take a look at any of these high growth tech names, but it's not just tech. Like, I mean, there's a lot of different stocks and a lot of different, like Boeing, huge move, right? Airbnb had a huge move. Home Depot had a big move. Obviously, you got, like Roku and Roblox and Square had a big move. I mean, stocks that got pulverized, huge moves. So, I mean, it's been one hell of a run. Yeah, JT, nice, man. Just says, awesome. Yes, sir. It was a huge week for me last week. Yeah, it was nuts. So, JT, I don't know if you're just joining us, but November was actually a record-breaking month for True Trading Group. I'm just, in case you weren't here at the beginning of the stream, there's 9 professional traders that are in True Trading Group that send out trade alerts. It's not just me, okay? I know I'm the person you guys see on here, but there's 9 professional traders, stocks, options, okay, day trading, swing trading. We also have a futures program if you guys are interested in futures, but every day, stocks, options, day trade, swing trade that you guys get with your membership when you guys join here this evening. And we set a record in November, which for us as a group, 28 triple-digit gains traded, alerted, executed, capitalized on inside of True Trading Group from all of the moderators as a whole, not just me, as all the moderators as a whole. Which was a record for us. That was the best month that we've ever had. Prior to that, October was our best month, which was 20. We had 20 triple-digit gains in October, which at that time was the best. We broke that record in November. We're looking to keep that going. We've got 2 so far in December. We had 1 triple-digit gain on a day trade. That was a sun run call option on Friday. That was the day trade. And the second triple-digit gain was a swing trade on a call option on Carnival Cruise Lines. So I'll pull back. You guys see Carnival Cruise Lines, big breakout last week. And that was good for over 100% gain for us. But that was a swing trade that was entered earlier in the week and then just profits off on Friday. And that was a big trade also for the members of the TTG fam. So it really was. It was a great week, but it was just a great month. I mean, obviously, it was the best month that we've ever had as a community. I'm just excited to get back in there. It's like I hate the weekends. I'm just like, I want Monday morning to come already, man. It's traders hate the weekends. That's the funny thing. People that have a 9 to 5, they love the weekend. Traders hate the weekend. So anyway, let's get back to the trade ideas. So I gave you Enphase. Sticking with the solar names, I'm looking at FSLR. And FSLR, I'm just looking at, this looks like a bottoming pattern to me. And I'm actually thinking that FSLR could get into like the high 160s. I'm looking for FSLR to kind of give us like a breakout day, like something that kind of looks something similar to this and work our way back through this resistance level. If you guys see on my screen, I want to point this out to you. You can see this level of support, right? Well, we broke that level in October. And when that level was broken, you can see very clearly that this has become a level of resistance. And then we tested it all throughout November. And you guys can see very clearly all this resistance here in like around like 160, right? You see that. Now, what I'm looking at is I'm looking for us to clear out these tops. And these tops sit right around 162. So literally what I'm looking for out of FSLR is just a breakout candle that looks something like this and clear that out, get up into the mid to high 160s this week. What you're going to want to look for really to let you know that I think you can stick with this trade is the following. Okay. What I see is these stocks recovered after yields peaked. Now, solar stocks are very interest rate sensitive. They're, high debt. They need to continuously raise debt in order to keep, operations going and to keep, moving forward and to keep growing and expanding their business. So they're very sensitive to interest rates. Interest rates, when the 10-year screamed to 5%, these stocks got obliterated. And they had horrible earnings. Their earnings were horrific. Some of the worst earnings reports that I've seen in years. And interest rates were rising. These stocks got pulverized. Now the interest rates are pulling back. It feels like these stocks have flushed out all that negativity and are starting to move back to the upside. I mean, they're nowhere near where they were before they started to crash, but I feel like this move higher has a little bit more legs. And you saw that big breakout move on Sunrun on Friday. I'm looking for FSLR and Enphase to see if that continues this week. So we're going to see if FSLR gets through 162. Let's see if we can get to like 168. All right, 168 to 170 would be final target. I don't think that happens in one day, but over the course of a week, I feel like that price range is well within reach there for FSLR. Now, a couple of other names that I want to bring to your attention. First of all, futures are red right now. We're slightly red, down about, I don't know, what is it, 0.1% on the S&P, about 0.25% off on the NASDAQ. And I'm looking at this huge resistance level that we have up here, right? See this line? This is just a chart of the SPY. And I want to show you guys this resistance level that we've been pushing into for the last, week and a half. This is the resistance level from January 2022, huge resistance. It was resistance there in July. And now here we are. We're right at it. We're right into it. And it looked like on Friday that we were going to be breaking through this level. I'm going to say this, and I'm telling you now, if I'm wrong about this, I'm going to lose money at some point this week if I'm wrong about this. I do not think that we are going to just blow through this level. I do not think we're going to get a candle that looks like this. Okay. I just don't. All right. Guys, everybody take a moment, mouse over your stream and click live to make sure that you are fully caught up and you guys are watching this video live. So Adam, can you pull it up and just show them what I'm talking about, guys? So when you're watching the live stream, when you scroll down to the bottom left, you see that little button right there that says live. Make sure you click that so that you are fully up to speed and you're watching the video live. Otherwise, you're way behind. So just make sure you click on that button that says live to make sure that you're watching live. It's actually very important when it gets time to the giveaway because you only have 2 minutes to respond if your name is called for the giveaway. And if you're not watching it live, then obviously you're not going to respond within the 2 minute time frame. So make sure you guys click on live. Okay. So SPY. I think we're going to get a pullback off this level, but I've been saying it for a week. It hasn't happened yet. We traded sideways for a week, and then we pushed into the level on Friday. We're not yet through the level. We're getting pretty damn close. We're not yet through it, but I think we're going to have a little bit of a pullback. So I also do have 2 short ideas on my list. I'll get to that in a moment after I welcome Janice and Kenneth. Janice and Kenneth, welcome. That means we're down to 13 laptops, guys. Everybody welcome Janice and Kenneth. Remember, if you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're getting one. Janice and Kenneth, welcome to the family. All right. So I think we're going to get a little bit of a pullback on the SPY. I've been saying it for a week. It has not happened yet. But I'm going to go after futures above 4,600. I'm going to go after a short up there in once you crack above 4,600, you print above 4,600. I'm going to test that short. I'm going to look for a pullback off that level. If I'm wrong, I'm going to lose money on that trade, but that is going to be a trade I'm going to go after this week. The shorts I'm looking at, one of them is NVIDIA. I'm looking for NVIDIA. If you guys have been following my live streams for the last couple of weeks, I told you after NVIDIA's earnings that I expect this stock to pull back because their earnings were actually really good and the stock still was unable to break the all-time high. So you double topped at the all-time high, which you can see this line across my screen. That's the double top of the all-time high. And now profit taking kicking in. What I'm looking for is for NVIDIA to continue that pullback and get down to 455. 455, that's the 100-day and the 50-day moving average. That's the dark blue line and the pink purple line you see on my screen. I'm looking for us to get to that price. We got to welcome Chantal. Chantal, welcome. That means we're down to 12. 12 of those laptops remain now. Okay? 12 of those laptops now remain. All right, but I'm looking for a pullback down back to like 455. Oh, yeah, Rhino, what's up, man? I see Rhino goes, yo, I'm already short ES. I've been taking profit. I'm swinging this thing for a nice pullback. Way to go, Rhino. I'll probably be joining you tomorrow, bro. But anyway, so yeah, I'm looking for a continued pullback. Just continue to profit. This is just a profit-taking pullback. I'm just looking for profit-taking on this. I want to show you guys the 15-minute chart so I can really point out this level for you that I have eyed up here. And I'll draw the level right here. There we go. You guys see this right here in the mid to high 470s. It's like 476 to 478. You guys see that level right there? See that support. We broke it on Thursday. So what I'm looking for on NVIDIA is to engage the short right here in the low to mid 470s, stop loss above 478. If we pop back above 478, I'll exit that position, but I'm looking for that to be resistance. Now you can see support. Let's see if we get back up into that zone. Let's see if we can engage the short and look for that move down to 455 on NVIDIA this week. And then last but not least, a stock that I have not talked about nor traded in a very long time, and that is Lululemon. And the reason why I'm looking at Lululemon, guys, honestly, I just feel like this stock is, let me just make sure that their earnings. They have earnings coming up actually in a little. Let me just make check on their earnings. December 7th. Yeah, so we do have time. So they have earnings. That's what I thought. I didn't have earnings this week. December 7th is the earnings. But this stock to me just looks like we're kind of getting a little overextended, and we're getting to, we're overextended. RSI is at 70. All right, so RSI is a little overextended. And what I'm looking for here, guys, is this all-time high. Do you see this all-time high right here? There's your all-time high on Lululemon. Okay, there it is. There's your all-time high. Now, what it looks like to me that we're going to have happen is Lululemon is going to form what I think a cup and handle. Now, you could say that this right here is the cup, right? Here's the cup, but you need to have a handle form before the cup and handle pattern gives you the breakout. So what I'm looking for is a tradable pullback off this all-time high. So we're going to zoom this in. You see this big breakout that we've had. I'm looking for Lululemon to do that and then do that. Okay. So I'm looking for this. All right. And we are going to, and I'm going to look to trade. All right. I'm going to look to trade this red pullback. Okay. That's what I'm going to try to get. I'm going to try to get that price action against that all-time high. Okay. So we're going to look to try to engage the short around 480 and see if we can get a pullback to like 460. All right. We're looking for about, 10 to 20 points on a pullback on Lululemon. I just think that a cup and handle is going to form. And in order for a cup and handle to form, you need a pullback for the handle. So I'm going to try to catch the pullback of the handle for the trade. All right. And then who knows? Maybe we catch the breakout of the handle in a week or two, right? They have earnings on Thursday. So Thursday, you might get a gap up above that level, and that will be the cup and handle breakout. So why don't we see if Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you get this little drifting pullback, and then Thursday is earnings. I'm not going to be in the position for earnings. And then maybe you get the breakout from there, right? Very possible. Very, very possible. All right. So that's it, folks. There you have it. Those are my top trade ideas for the week. I hope you guys wrote them down. I hope you got ready for them. But you know what that means. Does anybody have any questions on those trade ideas? Does anybody have any questions at all? Yo, Habibi Sauce, what's up, man? How are you? Oh, yeah, Rhino, me too, man. No, I actually love Lululemon, like as a company. I actually think the stock's going to make new all-time highs. It's my niece, but she's 12. Her whole Christmas list is like, Uncle, I want this, Lululemon. I want this, Lululemon. I want this, Lululemon. I'm like, what? She's 12. Do I think the jobs data is going to suck? No, not at all. Why would you think the job data is going to suck? It hasn't sucked once. Why would you think the jobs data is going to suck? I mean, you're not going to perfectly time like a collapse in the labor market. So I'm not going to be. The jobs market has held up so incredibly better than anybody could have anticipated, including myself. If you asked me that, in November, the unemployment rate would be 3.9, I would have said no. I would have said, I don't think so. Now I do think the labor market softens. But to say, do I think the jobs numbers are going to suck? I don't think they're going to suck. Is there a potential for them to come in weaker than expected? Sure. But going into the holidays, you get a lot of that like seasonal hiring, and usually jobs numbers this time of year, November, December, usually those job numbers are pretty good. So I don't see any reason why we should anticipate this like huge debacle from the jobs numbers. I just don't think they're going to suck. They haven't sucked at all the whole year. So I feel like all that part-time hiring with the holidays, and even companies that do want to lay people off typically tend to wait until January because they don't want to lay people off during the holidays. So typically when you do get layoffs or a company decides, hey, we're going to lay people off, they usually will wait till January to do it. So that plus the seasonal hiring is usually why this time of year the jobs numbers are not bad. They're usually pretty good. And considering that the jobs numbers have been good for the whole freaking year, I don't see why I would expect them to be bad this time around. That's just my opinion on that. What's the ticker for Sunrun and Enphase? The ticker symbol for Sunrun is RUN. The ticker symbol for Enphase is ENPH. Baba. Oh no, I'm sorry. You're having a conversation with somebody else. I thought you were asking me a question, but I see you're having a conversation with somebody else. It looks like. People are running out of money, are running out of stimulus money, and are going back to work. Plenty of jobs where I live. Yeah, and we're gonna get the job openings numbers on Tuesday. So job openings we get on Tuesday. How do you think will the USA handle the big debts they have? 8.6 billion. Greetings from Germany. Greetings from Germany. Ben, we actually have a bunch of members from Germany. We have a lot of members from Germany. How will the US handle that debt? I mean, listen, the debt in and of itself right now, I know it's a very large number, but it's actually not a problem yet. Eventually it would become a problem. High debt numbers are only a problem if you can't pay it. And debt is an asset as long as you can make your debt payments and you can service your debt obligations. Debt is actually, it's an asset. And as long as you can continue to pay it. So obviously the direction that things are going with the deficit continuing to increase, it's not a sustainable path. So at some point, yes, government is going to have to stop spending the money that they're spending because they spend more than they generate in tax revenue for the year. That's how you get your deficit. So that's going to have to stop. It's going to have to stop at some point here. They can't keep doing this. But right now, it's honestly not as big of a problem as people on the internet are trying to make you believe that it is. Because if you really want to look at who those debt holders are, a lot of that debt is actually debt that's held within yourself. Like when you look at the Federal Reserve and you look at all the different banks and the different financial institutions and the individual Americans, a lot of that U.S. debt is actually kind of held within the U.S. itself. Sure, then you have Japan, right, which is, I think, our largest debt holder. You have China, which is a big debt holder. You have these other nations around the world that are big debt holders that could dump that debt, yes. But you're not getting, yes, the Federal Reserve is going through quantitative tightening, which is where they're selling off things off their balance sheet, which includes some of that. But you're not going to get this massive wave of dumping from that. So it's not as bad, as people on the internet try to make you believe that it is. It's not like someone with a YouTube channel that is claiming that the world is going to implode because of the US's debt problem. It's not like that person has figured out some piece of math that the people that work at the Federal Reserve and in the US Treasury are not aware of. They can't continue on this path of spending. So, but right now it's not as big of a problem as you're led to believe by the doomsdayers that are out there. Do I see the Crimson Tide winning it all? Yo, Ray, what's up, man? Big win. Big win for you, Ray. Of course, I think Alabama has a chance to win. Absolutely. They are a far different team than they were to start the year. They were shaky to start the year. They did not look like the Alabama of past years to start the year. But Nick Saban has done something with that team that has turned them on, and they look like the Bama of the last decade, where they just dominated college football. I mean, they certainly. I was so impressed with that Georgia game. I didn't think Georgia was going to lose. I thought Alabama was going to lose. But they can beat anybody. They can definitely beat anybody. I'm rooting for Michigan. I'm a Michigan fan simply because the high school that I went to when I was a kid, they had the exact same uniforms as Michigan, exact same uniforms. Just instead of an M on their pants, it was a B. So when I was a kid and I would see Michigan on TV, I thought it was my high school team. So I automatically started rooting for them. Turns out it was Michigan, not my high school team. But I was a little kid. So that's how I became a Michigan Wolverine fan. So I'm rooting for Michigan. I'm rooting for Michigan. I hate Ohio State because I'm a Michigan fan. Yeah, I'm a Michigan fan. Any other questions? Any other questions? All right. Second code word, folks. Second code word, folks. You guessed it. Report. All right. Report. Brian, what do I see in Pfizer? I'm actually within the next few weeks, I'm probably going to be adding some Pfizer in the long-term portfolio. I think Pfizer is getting pretty damn close to a buy, if not a buy already. But I think Pfizer is pretty damn close to a buy. So within the next month, I'm going to be adding some shares of Pfizer in my long-term portfolio. All right. So the code words, guys, are jobs report, right? That's the code words for the giveaway. Jobs report. There's your code word, jobs report. Okay. All right. Jobs report. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start that giveaway. This is how it works. We're going to put people's name on the wheel of names. We're doing 3 spins. 1 for lifetime members, 1 for annual members, 1 for non-members. Okay. If your name is called, you'll have 2 minutes to send a text message to the number on the screen. Okay. You'll have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number you see on the screen. The phone number is 786-292-1606. Again, 786-292-1606. All right, 786-292-1606. Lifetime members, you're up first. All right, lifetime members, you are up first. All right. So my lifetime members, what are you guys going to win? You're going to win a free one-on-one mentor session with a skip the line pass. What does that mean? You're going to be able to do a one-on-one mentor session with any one of the professional trading mods of your choice. And you can skip the line. So let's say if you wanted to do a one-on-one with a specific mod, and let's say their next availability is January or February, you don't have to wait. You can say, I want to do my one-on-one with this person this week, and the one-on-one is yours. It is a bonus one-on-one. Lifetime members, you already get 4 a year. This is going to be a 5th. It does not count against your 4 that you already get. All right. So my lifetime members, good luck. We're going to now go ahead and spin that wheel. And the winner is Darren Tyler. Darren Tyler, the clock starts now. Darren Tyler, clock starts now. You have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-292-1606. Again, that is 786-292-1606. And you have to give us both of those code words that I just gave you. Please, for everything you love. Darren, be on this live stream. The last time I did this live stream and I tried to give away up to $5,000 in prizes, nobody was claiming the damn prize. Darren, don't let us down. 30 seconds have gone by, which means a minute and a half remains for you to text 786-292-1606. Okay? 786-292-1606. Give us both code words and the prize is yours. Darren Tyler, 1 minute. We have to welcome Thompson. Oh, Darren just got it, by the way. Yes, Darren. Good job. Boom. Darren just got it. Darren, great job. Great job, Darren. We also have to welcome Thompson. But Thompson, listen to me carefully, okay? Thompson, you overpaid. Thompson, you did not use the coupon code, but I know you're on this live stream, so here's what we're going to do. I'm an honorable man. We're going to refund you the difference, Thompson, tomorrow. Okay, so Thompson, tomorrow, we're going to credit you back the difference. You paid the full amount, Thompson. I don't know if you realize that or not, but what we're going to do tomorrow, Thompson, we'll contact you. You can contact us, but we're going to credit you back the difference so that you only pay the $1,047. So you accidentally paid the $2,000. So we're going to give you back that difference and give you the holiday sale price, Thompson. Okay. So Thompson, welcome to the family. All right. Pull back to support. Is that you, Thompson? Are you pull back to support? I just saw a username pull back to support said, thanks, Mike. I assume that you're Thompson. It's my pleasure, man. And that's just, honest mistake. You didn't use the coupon code, but I knew that you were here from how you're joining the membership here while I'm actually doing the live stream. So, oh no, you're Darren. Okay. So pull back to support is Darren. Okay. I'm sorry. So Darren, congratulations, man. Congratulations on the bonus cut the line one-on-one. All right. Congrats, Darren. Awesome. All right. Next up, Joe, who do we got? Annuals, non-lifetimes. Annuals, you're next. Okay, annuals. You guys are up next. If you're an annual member to Training Group, you guys are going to get 1 year of STR totally free. If you're not a member to Training Group, you have no idea what STR is. That's okay. Members do. It's awesome. You guys get 1 full year of STR totally for free. Uni actually just spent, Andrea Weber, she actually just spent 3 hours on Saturday evening going over trainings and charts and analysis and trade ideas with members inside True Trading Group. So just absolutely unbelievable. STR, you guys got it for a whole year for free. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel. Don't let me down, guys. Please be on this live stream. And the winner is Idi Muhammadal. Idi Muhammadal. Idi Muhammadal. The clock starts now. Idi Muhammadal. You have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-292-1606. Again, that's 786-292-1606. Okay? Idi Muhammadal. STR for free for an entire year is yours. If you can text us within the next 1 minute and 40 seconds and give me both code words, it is yours free for the year. Idi Muhammadal, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to send a text message to 786-292-1606. The clock is ticking. Darren came in the clutch. Darren sent that text message. Boom. Got it. Done. Be like Darren. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Did the Rangers win? Does anybody know? There was like a minute and a half left right when the live stream started. I was like, oh, yes. Edie got it. Edie got it, guys. Oh, this is great. 2 for 2, baby. Now we're talking. Congratulations, Edie Muhammad Al STR for a year for free. It's yours. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wow. Can we go 3 for 3? Joe, what do you think? You think we can go 3 for 3, Joe? You think we can go 3 for 3? I don't think so. We're going to go 2 for 3. I'm the pessimist, I guess. We're going 2 for 3. I get it. Non-members, you're up. Non-members, listen carefully. Okay? Heather, the Rangers did win 6-5. Nice. Best team in the NHL, baby. Come at me. I got to root for somebody. The Yankees sucked. The Giants suck. The Knicks are actually okay. But the Rangers, best team in the NHL. Let's go. Anyway, non-members, you're up. Here's the deal. Okay? Non-members. If your name is called, I told you that our holiday sale, it's $1,047, right? Not for you. If your name is called, you can join True Trading Group for the full year without any restrictions. Everything that's included on ttgoffer.com, everything that's included with our annual membership for not $1,047, for $500. $500 for the entire year. Not $1,047, for $500. Okay? That's it. $500. Okay? Now, if you just joined this evening on this live stream, listen to me carefully. If you're one of the people that already joined on the live stream and I called your name before, and your name is called now, we will give you back the difference. Okay, so let's say, for example, right? We had Jeremy. Jeremy joined earlier, right? So Jeremy, if your name is called now, right, then we will credit you back $547 so that you only paid $500. Okay, let's do it. Go ahead, Joe. Spin that wheel. And the winner is Selena H. Selena H. Selena H. Selena H. The clock starts now. Selena, you've got 2 minutes. Selena, if you can send a text message to 786-292-1606 within the next 2 minutes, give me both code words. You can join True Trading Group for just $500 for the entire year. No restrictions, full annual membership that everybody else is paying $1,047 for. You get it for $500 if you can text me within the next 1 minute and 35 seconds and give me both code words. All right. Selena H. Selena H. Selena H. One minute. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Selena H. waiting on you. See, Joe, I didn't feel good about this. 40 seconds. Oh, yeah. I see Future Kale Maker. The Avs, the Avalanche are pretty good this year. I miss the old, like when the Avs were dominant, like the Patrick Waugh days. Oh man, they were such a good team. Selena, you used to be a member too. Oh, Selena, you're letting us down. 5 seconds, Selena. And Selena actually used to be a member. Time's up. All right, Joe, go ahead, spin that wheel. We're going to spin one more time for my non-members. If you are not a member, we're spinning that wheel. Selena did not text us. And the winner is Alan Daly. Alan Daly. You've got 2 minutes. Clock starts now. Send us a text, 786-292-1606. The phone number is at the bottom of the screen, Alan. 786-292-1606. All right. Alan, the phone number is right there at the bottom of the screen. Folks, while we wait for Alan to send us a text message, what I'm going to do now, listen, if you guys are not part of True Trading Group and you're not interested in a membership, or your name was not called on the giveaway, I'm done with the giveaway. I'm done with the analysis, the trade ideas. So you guys can sign off the live stream now. I don't want to waste your time. If you're not interested at all in a membership, just make sure you subscribe to the channel before you go. But if you are interested, let me actually show you what the platform looks like. Okay, let me show you what the platform looks like. This way you guys have a better idea of what that 1047 is going to get you, because it is an all-inclusive membership that obviously is going to get you guys our chat room, right? Our chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. We're answering questions, right? We're providing market commentary. We're with you from pre-market all the way through into the close. We're literally with you for the entire trading day. We're not gone after an hour and you're left to fend for yourself. We're with you guys from pre-market until the close. You got the mobile app for Apple, for iPhone and Android that will let you be connected to the chat, connected to see the screen share, listen to the audio, because the mods and I talk to you on the mic during the day so you can listen to what we're saying. And of course, you get the real-time push notifications on the app when our moderators enter and exit their positions. That's how you can follow along with everything that we're doing during the day, even if you're not in front of your computer. Okay. We got 10 seconds for Alan. Not looking good. 10 seconds for Alan. You got 2 private study group sessions with our mods as well to help speed up that learning curve. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data, and that's a no-go for Alan. Alan did not claim it. All right. You're going to get congressional trading data, okay, to track trades by members of Congress. You're going to get insider trading information to track trades by members of a management team. TradingView's premium charting software, okay, one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders. The Trade Ideas scanner streams in our platform for you guys to use. These are all included when you guys join for the 1047. You don't have to pay anything extra for these things. You get a simulator that lets you trade with fake money but real-time data to practice before you risk your money. You get a proprietary scanner from True Trading Group that'll let you actually build custom scanners. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, right? Short data. All this is included. A trading journal tracks your trading for you, breaks it down to the numbers and statistics so you can see what you're doing wrong. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's being talked about most on social media. You get downloadable stock profile reports with analyst ratings, so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating. You got the watch list from the mods and I. We tell you guys what stocks are focused on with entry and exit prices every day, so you know where to focus before the day even starts. Then you get all of our courses. Our courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of the training I received working at the fund in New York. You get beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, chart psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it. You guys have access to all of it when you become a member. You also get access to our video library that's got about 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. And then you can start attending the workshops live once you guys become full-time members. Listen to me. Honestly, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee you is that if you do join, you go through our courses, you pass our quizzes, you attend one study group. If you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the 1047 at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $2,094, double what you paid. The refund policy is right there on the checkout page in black and white. Yes, it is real. Go read it. Go read the refund policy. Double your money back guarantee explained right there. Go read it. I can offer that to you because our refund rate is less than 2.5%. If our refund rate was 15%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. I would only be able to offer you money back. I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back if our refund rate was 10% or 15%, but it's less than 2.5%, so I can. That's to prove to you how much we believe in the product and the platform that we've created. To show you that we stand behind it. I don't think you need it, but it's there to give you peace of mind, and it's there to hold us accountable. You have any questions at all, text us 1-888-306-8783. Otherwise, go to ttgoffer.com. If you see a laptop, you're getting one. There's only a few left. Okay. You must manually enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, and the price drops down to $1047. Thank you, Mark. Mark says, you guys have one of the greatest offerings I have ever seen. Amazing, fantastic comment there from Mark. Thank you very much, Mark. I appreciate that. I appreciate that very much. Very kind words. Thank you. All right, guys. That's it, folks. So thanks for tuning in. We're going to go. It's after 10 o'clock. Congratulations to our winners of the prize. We had, two people that did not win for the non-member spin. We'll do it again. So make sure you guys just sign up for the non-member spin. Otherwise, I'll see you guys all in chat. All right. Oop. So fam, go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Turn on your notifications. Guys, I'll see you all in chat tomorrow. Have a great